Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you returning, thanks for coming back. And for those of you who are new, I'm Chas and welcome to Chatting with Chas. So today is April the 1st and it's the first Sunday of a new month. So it's Sum Up Sundays, or the Sunday Sum Up. I have to figure out what I'm going to call it. Sunday Sum Up Sundays. Anyway, but for many, it is April Fool's Day. Yes, but more importantly for me, it is Resurrection Sunday, or Easter. Happy Easter. So let's just start out. March was a much easier month than February. If you've seen the last Sum Up Sunday Sum Up, whatever video, February was hard. February was rough for your girl. So March was much easier. I've got tons of highs. Really don't have that many lows. I do have my notes on my phone, so I'll probably be looking at that just to make sure I don't leave out anything. So just to piggyback on that video, I did finish up my home decor haul. Just went and finished purchasing. Here we go. Every video, I cannot talk. I did finish purchasing. I give up. Whatever. Other things for the house. I think in that last one I had, bought some curtains and different things like that. So this time I picked up pictures and other little trinkets that I'm going to be able to sit around the house. I was able to finish kind of laying out what I want it to look like, the kind of feel that I want it to have. So later in this month, probably next weekend, I'll probably do it. I have to rearrange. So where I'm sitting at right now is my living room and my kitchen. This should be my dining area. I'm rearranging this whole entire layout around. So more to come on that. I went to a wedding. So she's my friend and I am very excited. She actually met her now husband at work. When I hired her, they went through training together, and for him it was just love at first sight. And anyway, here they are 2 years later and married, and it was an absolutely beautiful night, and I wish the two of them much happy and much love. Hair care. So aside from finishing up my home decor haul, I also did a hair product haul, I guess you would call it. I don't know. I went and bought a ton of hair products. So my goal, I've had natural hair now for, probably going on 7, 8 years, maybe even 10. I don't know. I don't even know where I'm at in my journey. That's sad. But I really got to get my hair back healthy, and it's not just from all the straightening I've done to it over the past year, and I really haven't been deep conditioning like I should, and, making sure that it was moisturized. I really have not done a good job at all. So I'm on another no heat, very minimal styles. As you can see, I've just been rocking a lot of buns, low edge controls, lay those edges down, and that's about it. And I'm probably going to wear it in a bun like this, probably for the whole entire week. Oof. So again, in my last video, I talked about how fortunate I was to not have gotten sick. Your girl caught strep. Yeah, it was horrible. And the closest reference that I can give to what it felt like, so 80s baby, I grew up playing Super Mario. Bowser, the little one, the little ugly one with the spikes on his back or whatever, so you can rescue the princess. Yes, Bowser was straight chilling in your girl's throat. He was just sitting right here. Just sitting. And every time I would swallow, I would feel him. Oh, it was so bad. So, funny and very quick story. I have a quite extensive history with strep throat, to the point where, they've threatened to take my tonsils quite a few times now. Was out of work for a few days. Well, not really out of work. I worked from home. I just couldn't be around other people. But anyway, I had strep throat. So, I guess I'll take it. As long as I still didn't catch the flu, I don't want the flu. I'll take strep all day. Let's see, what else? Oh, so major thing for me this month. I joined a new gym. Um, it is an awesome gym. Not that the gym I was going to wasn't awesome, but I struggle with working out on my own sometimes. So I really need a gym that's like full of group activity, group classes and exercises and different things like that. So me and a couple of coworkers from work, we all go to the same gym, and we've created like a schedule where like we pick different classes and different things like that to go to. So I have been going to the gym. I mean, I was going every single day, Monday through Friday, and then I caught strep, so clearly I didn't go that week, but I am back at it. I have been to the gym every single day this past week except for Friday, but I literally went Monday through Thursday. I skipped Friday, and I got up Saturday, yesterday, and I went to the gym again. So I've really been working out. Should learn by now to just turn that off. Anyway, so new gym, new workout schedule, just really doing good. I'm really trying to get healthy in 2018. Like, I gotta get healthy. So definitely doing that. And then I guess just tying into the kind of whole healthy, thing, just eating better. I've been eating more healthy. I've been trying to get consistent with doing meal prep, which, you guys, I didn't know that, like, it's not hard, but it's difficult to kind of get it going and get it started. So I am on a really good routine where, actually, when I'm done filming and editing this video, after I get it out, I'm going to go meal prep. Yeah. And then I guess while my stuff is doing that, I'll probably start making my goals for April. But yeah, all in all, pretty good. I do have some allergy stuff going on, so if you hear me like sniffling my nose or I sound kind of nasally, that's kind of what that is. But I feel much better. No more strep. Strep is gone. So other than this, I probably just need to go get some allergy meds and start taking those early this year. Usually my allergies don't kick in until like May, June-ish, but I don't know. I guess they're going to come early this year, so we'll see. Got a lot done. Did get back on my real estate stuff. I did not close any deals, but I at least was able to incorporate my stat portion of my business into my routine so that I could try to get back on that and just stop slacking, because your girl was being a slacker. Straight slacking. So definitely back on that and just trying to stay strong, posting weekly. Eventually, I'm going to get to where I can post 2 videos per week, but right now, 1 is kind of the max, and I need to just continue to do that well, do that with ease, and then I'm quite sure 2 videos per week will come. So anyway, thanks so much for watching if you made it to the end of this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing that now by clicking the subscribe button below. Getting better, okay? And also, if you want to hit that little bell so you don't miss any other videos from me, make sure that you do that as well. And thanks for watching.